What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with my channel. So, we got a box. We got a box, man. I'm super excited to unbox this shoe, because this is a silhouette that I do not have in my sneaker collection. You know what I'm saying? This is a silhouette I do not have in my sneaker collection. I used to have one pair. I've only had this shoe one time. Alright? And the one time I had this shoe, the colorway of it was an Obsidian Low. Now, here's the box, you guys. Straight from Nike. By the box, you guys should know what it is. We got the Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, metallic, gold, and black. That royalty pack. So we're gonna open it up. Right here, they got the brown. Is this brown? They got like a brown color to the paper. I want to make sure I'm in frame. Oh wow. So you guys know, you guys know by the title, so I'm not even gonna front on you guys. Look at that, baby. Yo. Bow. That Air Jordan 12. I think this is the Royalty 12s. Bow. Comment below, man, what you guys think. What you guys think. Now this shoe, like I said, only numbers I'm missing from my collection are 8, 9, and 10. I got everything else up to 15. I'm not doing anything past 15. But I didn't have the taxis. Always wanted the taxis, but I'm not one that's gonna pay a lot for resale. I don't even like paying resale, I'll be honest with you guys. So when this shoe came out, I knew I had to go for it. Comes with a pair of spare laces. This shoe is lit. It got the gold accents. That's the only thing that's really different between this shoe and the taxi. You got the gold right here on the side. You got the gold on the aglets. On the bottom, looks like it has a carbon fiber in between the rubber sole. Size 10, which is my size. I know on the original pair, the OG pair, the back of it looks different. I think it's in red. I'm not completely sure. But this shoe comes with black laces. This shoe's going to stay in my collection. So I probably will be swapping out the laces with the white laces, because I just feel like the white laces are super duper clean. I mean, the black laces aren't bad. You guys comment below. You guys doing white laces or black laces? Comment below. Comment below. Now the leather on this, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's like right in between hard and soft. It's super duper tumbled. See if it'll focus in. You guys see that leather? Super tumbled. I'm trying to get you these close-ups. I'm not seeing any really defects on this shoe. Looks like quality control is on point. What's that on the back? But I'm super excited to have these in the collection, man. I'm gonna have to get some more display boxes, man, because I got a couple pairs of shoes coming in, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple pairs of shoes coming in. These are fire, though. I'm gonna grab this other shoe real quick. Grab the other shoe. I don't really have nothing like deep to say about this shoe. I mean, look at the toe box right here. You got a white Jumpman. You got a white 23. Got that herringbone traction on the bottom, which from what I hear is like the best traction for a basketball shoe, right? Is that the herringbone? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's the herringbone. Shits are clean. All right, here's the other shoe. Yeah, I'm not seeing any glue stains. Very simple shoe, man. And if they drop another OG colorway or something close to an OG colorway, I'll definitely be shooting my shot at that too. So what you guys think, man? I'm happy to get my hands on a pair of shoes. While I've heard, and I'm not, I could be wrong, but I've heard that Nike's gonna be canceling a lot of shoes just because of logistics. You know what I'm saying? So I'm happy to get my hands on a couple pairs of shoes. Obviously, I got way too many shoes in my collection, but these are gonna stay. This is a shoe that I've always wanted to get my hand on, or the Taxis. But this is close enough. Matter of fact, if I could be honest with you, I think I like the gold hits better than it just being all blacked out. Like, I think I like that gold hit, man. I don't have a Taxi to compare it to or anything like that, but I'm rocking with these, man. If you got a pair of these, man, comment below. If not, comment below. These are fire, though, you guys. Super duper happy. I got a couple more pairs of shoes coming in. What do I got coming in? I got the Pine Green Lows coming in. And, what else I got coming? Hold on, let me look. I got the Pine Green Lows coming in. I gotta look at my Nike app, bro. Sometimes I be forgetting. Let's see. What else did I cop? Oh, yeah, I got them Bordeaux ones, man. They're coming in, man. So hit that subscribe button, man, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel, man. I'm trying to tell you, man, I'm dropping as much as Nike lets me cop. You know what I'm saying? Let me give you one last detailed look, and I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm not here to take up your time, man. I just know some people want to get a good close-up on these shoes, and they want to see before they go and buy on StockX, or maybe you're waiting for a restock or something like that, and you want to get a good detailed view on the shoe. So here it is, you guys. Here it is. That's it, you guys, man. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. I appreciate you for tapping in with me. We've hit 185 on the subscriber list. So for all the people that support me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 200, and we're trying to make our way to 1,000 subscribers, man. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Hey, remember, children are the future. Peace.